AI is everywhere on social media now, and many people don't realize how it can hurt women in silent ways. The first problem is AI filters. They make faces look perfect. Smooth skin, sharp jawline, big eyes. But these looks are not real. When women compare themselves to these fake faces, they start feeling bad about their own real beauty. The second problem is deepfakes. AI can take a woman's photo and put it in videos she never made. This can ruin confidence, reputation, and mental health. The third problem is algorithms. AI decides what you see, and it often shows content that makes women feel not good enough. Too many perfect bodies, perfect lives, and perfect faces. The last problem is AI chatbots and fake accounts. Some pretend to be real people. They lie, scam, or emotionally manipulate women online. AI is powerful, but it also has a dark side. Understanding these harms can help women stay safe, feel better, and protect their mental health.